Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I would love to tell you about what is SEO. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and this is basically optimizing your website content to be found in organic search results in Google and other search engines. It involves optimizing your website pages, blog posts, collections, products, images, internal links, and all of the content within the pages, so Google can crawl you a little bit easier. It also includes off-page SEO. So on-page SEO is optimizing your website content. Off-page SEO is all are the activities that bring traffic to your website, such as email marketing, brand marketing, social media marketing, cart abandonment strategy, so anything that brings more visitors and improves your conversion rate. There is also technical SEO, which is quite important but often forgotten when optimizing websites. This is going into a little deeper when improving your content. So optimizing your dwell time, which is the time spent on the website, optimizing the bounce rate. So if someone clicks on your website and clicks back, obviously this is bad for your SEO, so you want people to visit more pages on your website. Technical SEO includes mobile responsiveness to make sure that your website is mobile friendly. Google right now takes that into consideration. So Google ranks websites based on how they are mobile friendly before ranking their desktop version. So obviously website speed, any broken links, and also any duplicate content also can affect SEO. So this is all part of technical SEO optimization. In Rock Paper Copy, we focus on all those three aspects. We've got on-page SEO, which includes optimization of your website content. So this is a one-off package. But we also include monthly packages that work on your off-page SEO. So they send traffic actively to your website. They work on your mobile version of your website. They work on broken links, so they scan the website regularly to find any broken links and obviously fix them. But they also add blog, and blog has been very powerful when it comes to getting to page one. For our brand, we recently managed to get to page one within 4 days with a blog post, breadcrumbs in SEO, and you can see a link on this page to this article to see how it is constructed. Obviously, there's a bit of strategy to creating a blog post, but adding blog post this type definitely helped a number of our customers get to page one within 30 days or less. We also use Facebook ads within monthly packages. So if you advertise on Facebook, we can certainly help you do that. The cost and management of Facebook ads is included in our top tier package. So I hope you found this information useful, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out, contact me, and I'll be happy to speak with you soon. Bye bye.